Hi guys, good evening. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the Valliant boiler. Okay, this is the boiler, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to open this. If you can see the sign here, it says start up failure, ignite unsuccessful, right? So what you need to do is you need to just press the ignition button and leave it. What happened once it says that message, what we have seen previously, you need to press and hold this button. If you can see this button, right, you just need to press that and hold for a few seconds. You will see this message. Now what's happening is the temperature is dropping up, but if you see this sign, that means the boiler has been ignited. Okay, it has started itself now. So what's it's doing now? If you can see it clearly, it's increasing the temperature. That means